In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily download and install HP LaserJet 3015 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. So from here, please proceed to the search bar and type for HP space LaserJet 3015 driver. Once done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result, and please proceed to the first result, click on it, and eventually you would be redirected to this kind of window where you can see the printer driver. Now please proceed to this driver universal print driver. Click on this down arrow key and choose among of these two. Okay, so click on download. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if not yet, download it and move it to the desktop. Okay, so close the window, and here at the desktop, you need to extract the file. So there are two ways on how to extract it. You can make a right click and go with extract all, and in that way you would be able to extract it. Or you can simply use the WinRAR tool to extract the file. So click on extract to and kindly wait until this would be done. Once a new file folder has been created, meaning we have successfully extracted it, then this is the time that you need to navigate to the start icon, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. Now here at the settings, directly navigate to the left side. You can see there Bluetooth and devices, tap on it. And from here, please proceed with printers and scanners. And eventually you can see an option like this. Please click on add device and kindly wait until you can see an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on add manually, click on it and choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. Click on next. Go with have disk. Click on browse. And from here, you need to navigate to the desktop and scroll down. Double tap to the extracted file and it will show you the different driver that is having. Okay. So from here, you can also check the if no items match your searched here, just go back to the extracted file and select any of this. Again, select any of such. Then click on open and it would be placed here. Click on OK. And eventually you can see this kind of window. Please proceed to this one. HP Universal Printing PS version 7.6.0. Click on next and please rename that into HP LaserJet 3015. Once done renaming, click on next. And in that way, it will now start in the installation. So please wait until this would be finished. Once done, all you need to do is you need to click on next and go with finished. And there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 3015 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.